let's get back on the interstate. Let's go. Off to New Jersey we go. Whoa, what is this? Looks like we're going over another bridge. I don't know if they're charging us again. I don't know how many bills I'm gonna get in the mail. All these toll booths and stuff we're going through. Going over another bridge. Can't really see what the bridge looks like this time though. Here it is. Welcome to New Jersey, New Jersey Turnpike, Governor Philip D. Murphy. We have to pay another toll. What is this? Ticket. What is this ticket thing? Okay, I guess they gave us a ticket for how much to pay. I don't know. I guess it depends when we leave the turnpike, then they decide how much to charge us. Alright, we're at the supercharger, so let's plug in. We don't really need too much, but I'm kind of tired, so let's just plug in and rest. Did I push it? There we go. And it's starting. Okay. So, let's see here. 55 minutes remain. Alright, we charged all the way. Let's just find a place, park, and then rest, and then go in the morning.